Hello lovely people, welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn about the best TripAdvisor scraper in the market, okay? So this is a very awesome TripAdvisor scraper. We launched it on GitHub some time ago and we got 201 stars, so for which we are very thankful to the community. And yep, you can see it's a very proven product. It's a very detailed API and almost everything that you want from TripAdvisor, it is here. You want hotels, restaurants, attractions, things to do, reviews, everything I'm telling you is here, and it is an awesome API. Okay, so let's first discuss what you can use the TripAdvisor scraper for. So you can use it for finding customers. Okay, let's say your customers are hotels and restaurants, then it's a very good place to get test data. Okay, you can get their emails and website, contact them and sell your products and make money, of course. And another thing that you can do is you're a student. Okay, in that case you can use that data for completing your research or ML project. So yeah, TripAdvisor is a gold mine, I guess. So it has great data which you can use. So let's see how we can use it. First of all, my friends, all you have to do is to create an account on our lovely website here. Okay, just sign up on with your Google or your name and email. Once you have done that, the documentation will automatically fill your API key, and after that, let me show you an example of how you can use it. I will show you an example of attraction of our Disneyland. Okay, because Disneyland is the happiest place on earth, and I also want to go to Disneyland with my parents, of course, once I have enough money. So yeah, let's see what data we can get for Disneyland. I just copied an example already. It's there in the task. So yep, I have put it in here in Python, and I'm just going to run it. Okay, we have got the response. You can see it is very detailed. Okay, you have the website, you got the phone, email is not there for this place, so yeah, we didn't get this. And all the very details, hours, ticket, featured experience, attraction, question answers, featured reviews, initial reviews, like it's a very detailed. Okay, we have done a lot of thought into this. Okay, that's why it's so awesome. Now let me just show you how you can get it for reviews in that page. For getting the reviews, I'm going to just change it. You see, I have actually entered the query parameter. Okay? I didn't enter link. I just entered Disneyland Park, California. It will just fetch it automatically. So as you can see, we have got the response for all the reviews, of course. Okay, so there are 20, and you can just paginate it for quite a long. Okay, 106 pages. Okay, now let me show you how you can just list attraction that are there in, let's say, a great place like Paris, the city of love. So let me just enter in Paris, and let's see what the city of love has got. So let's see what the data we have got. We have got Eiffel Tower. It is one of the 7 wonders. And we have got a Louvre museum. Parisians add love in the museum itself. Okay. So lovely people. And yep, museum is a very romantic place. It suits friends very well. I will surely visit once I go to Paris. Okay. So yeah, coming to point. Yeah, it's a very good API. Okay, you can get restaurants, attraction, hotels, everything. Okay, I'm not going to show you here itself all the endpoints because yeah, it's very lots of endpoints are there, and if I do show you, you're just going to exit the video. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time. Okay, so please just sign up on our website and create an account. It has got a lot of data, very detailed, and you will just love our API. Okay, there are many APIs about TripAdvisor on the market, I guess, but this is the best based on my knowledge. Why? Because it is very detailed. Okay, you're gonna get very detailed data, almost everything. Okay, and it has high uptime, that it remains up all the time. So yeah, you will have a great experience with it. Please do try out our API. Your search for the TripAdvisor API will end right here. You will love our product. I am very sure about that. And if you have any questions, please contact us our WhatsApp, and you can also just email us. Our email is happytohelp@omkar.cloud, because we are always happy to help our customers. And if you have any enterprise queries, do contact us. We love enterprise customers because they have got big wallets. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the YouTube video comment section, and I will be happy to help you. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.